Where are we going, Joshi?
Chiang Mai.
Where are we going, Jasmine? Are we going to Thailand?
Thailand?
Nice bag, by the way.
Papa. I'm ready for a vacation. I'm ready for vacation. I'm ready for a vacation.
Yo, what's up? Jeremy here. About to go on a vacation. We're gonna go to Thailand. We're gonna go to Chiang Mai. All right, guys, we're off. See ya. Bye-bye, house.
Connor, here we come.
Go, Kuya, go.
Going to the airport right now. Got my buddy Ranjan. Here's his card. That's him. Let's go on the plane. Uppies, uppies. Get your stuff. Let's go on the plane. Let's go on the plane. We're over here in Kuwait. We're trying to wait for our flight. That's going to take us to Doha. And then after that, we're going to go to Thailand. We're over here in the lounge. Our flight got delayed by how long?
Just an hour.
Got delayed an hour, so hey, you gotta drink for another hour. All right, see you guys later.
That's what you get when you're a gold member.
First on the plane, let's go. You got a luggage? Good job. We just hit up the duty free. We just landed in Chiang Mai. We're here at the airport waiting for our ride. Now we have a... Yeah, that's the pool right there. There we go. Yo, what's up? We just got to our Airbnb over here in Chiang Mai. Now I was about to give you guys a little Airbnb tour, but these kids went so crazy they just changed and jumped in the pool. So, you know, we got priorities. Pool time, let's go. We just got done swimming. We swam about 2 hours, and now while we're swimming, Rain was over at the market picking up some food. So right now we're gonna go eat some food. Let's see what we got. What is that? Little crunchies?
I want chips.
You want chips?
Yeah.
Ready? Here's one for you, and here's one for you.
I don't want chips. I want this one.
Okay. We got some of these Thai, it looks like Thai bugles. I think this one's like a fish. Oh, it is. It's a whole fish. I was like, the whole fish is like deep fried. Hey, are you sharing? Here, Jess. You already know what this is. Rain came with some plates.
4, 5, 6.
Where are we going?
To the night bazaar.
We're over here. We're about to go to this night bazaar. Waited for our grab ride, our grab taxi or grab car. We're over here waiting for our ride, and these kids are acting up. Why are you acting up so much?
Okay, we're gonna stop acting up.
Okay, you're gonna stop acting up? Good. Finally. Our ride couldn't find us, so we came out here to this little store, picked up some snacks, met a new dog, and that's it. We're just waiting for our ride still. About 45 minutes in our trip, and we ain't going nowhere. Well, actually, there's our place we're staying at right there. So we waited for a ride, never showed up. Came back to the house, but we got a taxi to take us. The same guy, Egg, that took us from the airport to our Airbnb. Okay, come on.
Come, go outside. Go.
Our driver just came, Mr. Egg. Hello.
I'm Mr. Egg. Knock that again.
All right, I will.
If you want to say thank you,
Yep.
you can say ขอบคุณ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Kapkum. Thank you. Right here. Just got dropped off. We're gonna come back here at 8:30, meet up with our driver right after the night market.
Joshua, take a look at
Yo, what's up? We just got our bag of goodies right here. We're about to tear it down. Let's go back and get it for you. I don't want to hear you.
Thank you. Strawberry, okay.
Strawberry.
Joshua, what do you
Is that
want?
what you wanted? Is that what you were looking for? Everybody's happy with their ice pop? What, should I get that shirt? You like it?
Good, that's good. It's so good. Okay.
Recommend this one, please? Yes. Same. 250 and 70 in the first. Yeah. Which one did you get? Wow, SpongeBob. Here you go.
One on the one on the one. Okay. Egg omelette. Egg omelette Thai style. 10 baht.
Good.
Man.
Wow, that's so cool. Right there.
I can do whatever I like. Shit. This is a Thai black jelly. I got this, and this is 40 baht. And then this is the traditional Thai iced tea, milk tea, and it has black jelly too. But this is like 30 baht, so all in all, it's like 70 baht.
I'm gonna eat some crickets right now. You want some? Go. 今天晚上刚吃完那个火烧。Dude, I saw all kinds of dope stuff while we were here, but the only problem is I brought my damn kids and I gotta drag them along and they mess up everything. But, you know, I still got some good stuff, so it's all good. All right, see you later.
That would be a great idea, Daddy.
That would be a great idea.
Daddy, can you help me with my venom, Daddy?
I could help you.
Yeah. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, he can catch one anybody.
How you guys like Thailand?
It was fun.
It was fun, right? We just did our first day in Thailand. It was awesome. We went, woke up. Actually, hey, you're blocking the camera.
Okay.
All right, so we flew in early this morning, checked in our Airbnb, got some street food, went swimming, took a nap, went to the night market. Awesome, everything was awesome. And we're about to build some Legos. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Click the subscribe and press the subscribe button. Daddy, can you help me with me, Daddy?